So over here you can see that I have this plain object, and if I were to go around and add in an animation to this, let me just go around and scale this out first to add in the animation, and then I'm going to add in an animation in the position section right here. So let's just go around and zoom in the timeline over here just like this. I'm going to go around and select out, let's say for example 1 second, and add in a keyframe to position right here. Then I'm going to go around onto 2 seconds and click and drag this out right here just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. Press the space bar and that is what you have, as you can see, just like this. So now what is happening when I actually apply the animation is that whenever the motion is happening, you can see that there's no acceleration, deceleration in the particular animation whatsoever. So the animation starts and then stops at the end just like that. What you can do is you can go around and add in something called temporal interpolation so that it actually goes around and accelerates and deaccelerates just like that. So if I were to go around and right click on this keyframe right here, then you can see that there's temporal interpolation right here, which is an option. And if I were to go around and change it from linear to smooth right here, then what happens is that you can see that it slowly starts out right here just like this. It slowly starts out right here instead of quickly going around right here. You can also go around and utilize this Bezier curve right here, as you can see, just like this, but you can see that it slowly goes out right here. Similarly, you can go around and go to temporal interpolation and smooth it out over here just like this as well, and this is what you have. If I were to go around and add in a keyframe right here, then you can see that this is what you have. And if I were to go around and add in, let's say for example, smooth right here, then what happens is that it stops in between, as you can see right here, in between the keyframe, and then continues right there. That is what the smooth does. I can go around and just go for linear right here, then it simply becomes linear again. You can go around over here and smooth in right here just like this, and what happens is that it smooths in right here, slows down, but it does not accelerate out right here. And if I were to go around onto smooth out, then what happens is that it stops right here and smooths out right there just like that. Then let me just go to linear right here. Then after that, you can see that you can also go around onto manual Bezier right here, which actually goes around and brings in this Bezier, as you can see right here. And then you can see that that is the end result right there, just like that. Then you got constant right here, just like this, and constant actually makes it hold, as you can see right here. You can go around right here and you can see that it directly stops right here, and then it just flies over here onto the next keyframe. So that is what you have, as you can see. So this is what you can do, and this is what you can do right here. And then you can go around and right click and then go around onto let's say temporal interpolation and make it constant, and that is what you have, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with keyframe temporal interpolation inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.